Hello everyone and welcome back to Kawaii Crafts. Today I'm making a Sailor Moon moonstick necklace using mini perler beads. I made this video years ago and totally forgot to upload it, so here it finally is. The materials you will need for this project are jewelry pliers, a necklace chain, tweezers, a jump ring, wax paper, and perler beads in the colors of butterscotch, white, black, yellow, bubblegum, and red. I'm going to show the production of the moonstick in a time-lapse today because the video was really old and my setup wasn't quite as nice as I would like it to be. I didn't want to trash the video since I spent the time making it for you, but for a better look at the pattern, I've uploaded a close-up to my Instagram. The link is conveniently placed in the description for you. Once I have my moonstick complete, I'm going to place a piece of wax paper on top of it and iron until I can see the beads sticking to the wax paper. And then I'm going to gently peel the beads and wax paper off the board and use the other corner of the wax paper to iron the other side of the perler bead. And then I'm going to place it under some heavy books to cool. Finally, I'm going to add a jump ring to the central bead at the top of the moonstick and then attach it to the necklace with a jump ring. And I have a cute Sailor Moon necklace. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Link me to pictures on Instagram or Twitters if you make them for yourself. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and see what I make next. If you want to see more, follow me on Twitch. I stream Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Saturdays I do craft streams starting at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope to see you there. All my links are in the description for you. But that's all I have for you today. See ya!